Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be solving weekly contest 394 second question, which is the count the number of special characters to. We are given a string of word and then it contains small letters as well as the capital letters. And then we need to find the number of special letters in this particular word. And then the special letter in the sense, suppose it should contain both lowercase as well as the uppercase. And then every lower occurrence of C appears before the first uppercase occurrence of C. That means suppose let's say I have A and then it contains again A and then we have capital letter A. So this particular A, all the all the lowercase letters of A is always less than or equal to, like it it occurred before the capital letter of A. So we are going to consider this particular letter as a special letter. And then if we come to the B, then B lowercase letter comes before the capital letter of B. So that's why we are going to consider B as our special character. And then if we come to the C, C lowercase letter comes before the first occurrence of this particular C capital letter. Then we are going to consider it as special character. So and then we need to count the special number of special characters. That's why we are going to return 3. And then if we consider ABC, it doesn't contain any capital letters of ABC. That's why we are going to take it as 0. And then if we come here, then this particular A contains the capital letter as well as the small letter, which is here A and the small letter A. But we do not have where the condition of small a is occurred before this particular capital A. That means A should come before the capital letter. That means it should have like A and then A. But here it is the capital letter has occurred first and then the small letter has occurred next. That's why we are going to take it as not a special character. And then if we come to the B, it is also same. And then if we come to the C, this doesn't contain small letter, so we are going to take it as not a special character. So let us go through the code. 1 means it is going to be small letter, and then 2 means it is capital, and then 3 means both of them. Suppose let's say answer is the number of special characters we'll count, and then we'll have the year of 26 where we'll store whether this particular character has small letter or capital letter, and then small letter occurs before the first occurrence of C. So we'll pick the character which is present in this particular word, and then let's say if this particular character is small, then we are going to consider let's say this is the smallest character, and then let's say there occurred a character which is capital letter before this particular character, which is like bigger of this small letter. So we are going to say if it has occurred, then we are not going to consider this particular character as our special character. That's why we are going to consider a of c minus a is equal to -1. That means it is not a special character. -1 means it is not a special character. And then let's say if this particular character has not occurred previously, whether it is a small character or a capital letter, it is not occurred, then we are going to mark this particular character as small letter has occurred. That we are going to mark it as a of c minus a is going to be this one. And then let's say if if the small letter and the capital letter has occurred previously, but as of now we have a small letter, that means we have this capital letter which has occurred previously. That means it has occurred previously. That's why we are going to say a of c minus a is going to be invalid. Why? Because the capital letter has occurred before the small letter. And then there can be a scenario like if it is a capital letter. If it is a capital letter, we can check if it contains a small letter previously. If it contains a small letter previously, then we are going to take it as both has occurred. So we are going to mark a of c minus a equal to 3. And then let's say the capital letter has not occurred and then small letter has not occurred, then we are going to mark it as the capital letter has occurred by marking a of c minus a is going to be 2. And then after this we are going to go through all the letters which are present in this particular a, and then if it has occurred both 3 and then it is not a invalid, that means it doesn't contain -1, then we are going to increment the answer and then we are going to return the answer. So if we come to the time and space complexity, the time complexity is going to be big of n, and then the space complexity is going to be big O of 1. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video.